How to use BTerrell SmartEFT Manager to receive AR payments. BTerrell SmartEFT Manager is a proprietary tool developed by BTerrell Group that can help you receive AR payments from your customers. It is fully integrated with Sage Intacct functionality. It looks and works just like Intacct. Before I start to show you how to use BTerrell SmartEFT Manager to receive an AR payment, I would like to share with you BTerrell SmartEFT Debit workflow. After the invoice has already been created in Sage Intacct, we need to receive an AR payment. We move into the EFT Manager Debit to create an EFT debit request. Then we approve the EFT debit request. The next step is to generate the EFT debit file. We can download the file and transmit it to our bank. Once the bank confirms that they have already received the money from our customers, we go to the Post AR Payment function to post the payment. The invoice status will turn to Posted automatically. I want to emphasize that if we want to use EFT Manager to receive AR payments from our customers, the customer should be enabled EFT Manager. Go to the drop-down menu, Accounts Receivable, Customers. Find the customer we want to receive an AR payment from via EFT Manager. Click Edit button. Go to EFT Manager section. Check the Enable EFT Manager checkbox. Fill the information. Click Save button. The customer, being verified, has been enabled EFT Manager. Now let's use EFT Manager Debit to go through the AR payment process. There is an invoice for our customer being verified. Go to the drop-down menu, EFT Manager module, EFT Debit Request. Click the Add button next to the EFT debit request. Choose Nature as EFT template. Choose SVB operating USD as the checking account. Choose USD as currency. We can choose Pay All Invoice on one date. Then we need to choose a payment date. We can also choose Pay Each Invoice on invoice due date or next business day after. For demo purpose, we choose Pay All Invoice on one day and choose Today as payment date. We can use due date, customer and invoice term to find the invoice. For demo purpose, we only use customer. Choose Being Verified as customer. Click View Customer Invoices button. Check the checkbox for the invoice we want our customer, being verified, to pay. Click Save button. Click OK. Then it will bring us to the EFT Debit Request screen, and we can see now that our request has a status of Approve Pending. The approver will log in to the Sage Intacct homepage. Go to Applications drop-down menu, EFT Manager module. Approve EFT Debit Request. This brings the approver to a screen that shows all pending approvals. The approver can click the name of the EFT request on the left side to view the details of each request. Click Approve or Decline Action on the right side to approve or decline the request. Then click OK in this message box. Click OK. Once the EFT request is approved, the creator of the request will get a notification by email stating that the request has been approved. If we go back to the EFT Debit Request screen, we can see that ours now has a status of Ready to Process. Now the EFT debit request we created has been successfully approved, we will move to the next step, which is generating the EFT debit file. Go to the drop-down menu, EFT Manager module, Generate EFT debit file. This brings us to a screen that shows all EFT debit requests that have the status of Ready to Process. Again, the user can click on the EFT debit request name to view the details of the debit request. Click Generate File on the right. Then click OK in the text box. We can click Download in this message box to take us back to the EFT debit request screen, where ours now has a hyperlink available for download. Or click OK and go back to the EFT debit request screen manually to find the hyperlink for download. Click the link to download the file and upload it through your bank online portal. When we receive the confirmation from the bank that the payment has been received, we can move to the last step of the process, which is posting the AR payment. Go to the drop-down menu, EFT Manager module, Post AR Payment. Click Post on the right side to post the payment. Click OK on this message box. Now the AR payment has been successfully posted, and if we go back to the EFT debit request screen, we can see that ours now has a status of posted. Go to Invoice under Accounts Receivable module. We can see the status of the invoice is paid. If you are interested in BTerrell SmartEFT Manager Debit, please contact us. Email info@bterrell.com. Website https://www.bterrell.com